Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Clinclii non-invasive blood glucose monitor. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a device that will actually, you just clip onto your finger, and then it will actually monitor your blood glucose or your blood pressure from there. So as you can see, this is what their website looks like. So oftentimes what others do is they actually prick something into your blood. So this one doesn't have that, since if you don't like needles, this is the needle-free way. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, we have it actually here on Malware Tips, and they basically just expose the scam. This is actually a scam right here. So as you can see, the big claims: Clinclii promotes its monitor with bold statements, so 99.9% accurate, no finger pricks required, FDA certified, endorsed by healthcare professionals, and used by over 80,000 Americans. So currently, no widely available device exists that can accurately and reliably measure blood glucose without drawing blood. Technologies like continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, from trusted companies like Dexcom and Abbott still require cutaneous sensors. Any claim of a completely non-invasive glucose monitor should be met with extreme skepticism. So as you can see, there are a lot of products like these that sell for very cheap. So fake testimonials, price inflation, artificial scarcity, slick ads, fake authority, rebranding. So they're basically, my parents have these, and they have the different brand from them, but however, they basically look exactly the same. So misleading product pages and fake reviews and testimonials. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.